Listen to me. I'm gonna call the police. I'm gonna have them arrest you. I think you're under the influence of alcohol or drugs or both, probably drugs. I don't think there's any question. I'd bet my house against a cup of coffee if I got one out here.
Court Uncut. What the people want.
James Robert McZuga, is he here? 25W836868A and B. I don't know who this gentleman is. Can somebody tell me? Your name, sir?
James Robert Matsuga.
Michael probably let them be.
They're moving to dismiss.
Judge, if I can interrupt, Mr. Condrey should be in front of Judge Hessen.
Oh,
He's in the wrong courtroom.
okay. How do we get him over there? This gentleman that says Amy Wilhelm?
Yes, he's in that a warrant. It's a Judge Hessen case. He might want to flag down a deputy.
Flag down a deputy and you tell them, and we'll give you the sign, the code if you need. I mean, the Zoom ID. Mr. McZuga, he should have been a lawyer. Prosecutor's moving to dismiss, right?
Yes,
What is it, a marijuana case?
yes.
What
yes.
kind? Why they write a marijuana charge?
I think he was in possession. Yeah, well,
Oh, it's fentanyl.
oh,
Does he know that he's,
I'm not,
even where what the drug was alleged, in his possession, we did have that discussion with the prosecutor.
I need him to come in.
My client had other charges in front of Essence. This is kind of a global resolution.
I need Mr. Urick in here, please.
yes, right.
Thank you. So I'm curious, he's just, if he thinks it's a bad case, but he's in possession of fentanyl, which he should have been charged with the felony. Is there a basis for this or just wanting to be a early
think the
Christmas?
basis is in a kind of a global resolution to his two.
I see.
Yes, yes.
So he pled in front of Judge Hessen on what?
Exactly.
On what?
I forget exactly what that, but there was some other another possession charge. I know there was a driving while license suspended, and was one other matter that was worked out.
All right. And Mr. Urick, your name?
William Urick, on behalf of the city of Woodhaven, Your Honor.
You moved to dismiss it's actually possession of fentanyl. You know that, right?
I did not know that, Your Honor. I was trying to understand that it was possession of marijuana.
Well, no, that prints out on the computer. You gotta be, all these computers, they're wonderful tools, but it's not marijuana. It says possession of fentanyl, observed walking in the road where it was dimly lit, suspected heroin / fentanyl. If you had, Mr. Crawford told me it's a global resolution with Judge Hessen. If you are comfortable still dismissing this because it pleads in front of her, that's your business. I just wanted to make sure you're aware it was fentanyl.
And I'm glad that the court is making us aware. Notwithstanding that, given the global resolution next door, Your Honor, if the court please, we would move to dismiss.
You gotta stay away from this stuff, son.
So there you
You kind of get,
Very intention.
no disrespect, you're a lot younger than I am, but you're kind of getting old for this junk, aren't you?
You all right, Your Honor?
I really wish you well. Maybe you need to talk about sobriety court, case dismissed, motion to prosecutor. He still owes us money on the pedestrian violation. When's he gonna pay this?
You know, my client can pay $100 a month starting December 1st.
Where do you work at? Do you work?
No, I have every intention to,
I didn't ask you. Do you work?
no, I don't.
Why not? What are you're
I have
23, wait a minute, slow down. You're about 47. Hang on, slow down. You're 47 or 8, right?
Correct.
Why aren't you working? I mean, you're not collecting disability, are you? Are you under the influence right now? You're talking awful slow.
I'm just a little tired. I spent.
I'm tired too. We're always tired, but are you under the influence of something right now?
No, I'm not, Your Honor.
He was trying to explain to the court he's been in jail for the past 4 days.
You don't care.
Well, he hasn't slept well, so he's tired.
Ah,
He's fatigued.
come on. Who do you want to kid? Me?
No, you're right.
I want to talk to you. Do you really think you're going to fool me?
Your Honor, I'm not under the influence of anything.
Really? So you're gonna be glad to take a blood test right now if I send you for that, right? Right?
Right.
Did you have a stroke ever?
Pardon?
Did you ever have a stroke?
No, I really wouldn't know if I had one or not, to tell you the truth.
You're under the influence of something. Why are you telling me you're not? You didn't drive here.
What's up?
Shh. You didn't drive here, did you? How'd you get here?
My cousin drove me over here with my father's vehicle that was impounded.
Are they still here?
No.
How are you gonna get home?
Oh, I was hoping to get maybe a call out, or I'll just walk 2 miles home.
If I see you drive or hear you driving a vehicle out of here, listen to me. I'm gonna call the police. I'm gonna have them arrest you. I think you're under the influence of alcohol or drugs or both, probably drugs. I don't think there's any question. I'd bet my house against a cup of coffee if I got one out here. Now, I'm not taking a plea. I'm not the prosecutor. He made the decision to dismiss with you going down the hall and already pleading in front of Judge Hessen. But I'm telling you, you're gonna kill yourself. Do you have a wife or kids or anything?
My wife, she's almost about to die. Breast cancer, it spread to her bones. Bones.
How about you? You got any kids?
3 months.
How old are they?
18, 25, 26.
You want to just admit to me that you're under the influence, or do you want me to have to figure it out on my own?
Your Honor, I'm not under the influence of anything at the moment. It's just, I'm upset now. I'm speaking about my wife. I can get that phone call any day.
I know, but
Then you give her a time.
I know, but you're under the influence. You're talking like you're talking in slow motion. You follow me? I'm not trying to make you feel bad. You got to get off this junk. What's the pleas in front of Judge Hessen, Mr. Crawford?
I dare not try to quote it.
Well, it's got to be a drug charge, right?
Yes,
Okay, of course. It's not like having a sip of alcohol. You got 3 kids with your wife, right?
They're in Arizona at the time right now. I came back here a couple years ago to take care of my father. He had congenital heart. Didn't have the water.
Congestive heart failure.
The water blows up around the heart.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, I'm no physician. I can't.
He's been in and out of the hospital for probably the last 4 years now. My mother, she passed away. I had a brother that actually died from an overdose.
Well, yeah. Why are you still doing this stuff? I tell this to my close friends. I say I go there. I see these people die, and they go to the funeral and see their friend in a casket. Then they go out and use opiates. I mean, it's the worst. I'd rather play Russian roulette than take opiates.
Man depressive disorder too. So I mean, I understand exactly where you're coming from here. I understand everything.
You're not driving.
No, not. I sort of my right hand back up. I steered the country honorably.
I give you credit for that. Thank you. You did?
I will. Yes, I did.
In what branch?
Sorry.
And here yesterday was Veterans Day. I admire anybody that served in the service. I really do. I know. I mean,
The day I graduated basic training was the first day we started dropping bombs. 2003.
I wish you well. Case is dismissed on motion of the prosecutor. You're going to pay. How much do you want him to pay?
$40 every 2 weeks, Your Honor.
You pay 40 per week, every bi-weekly. Pay 40 bi-weekly beginning December 1. If you don't have the money, you come talk to me. I won't be an ogre. I'll give you all the time you need. Mr. Bixuga. You weren't related to the councilman in any way, were you?
Yes, he was my uncle. He passed away
I know.
4 years ago.
I had the greatest respect for your uncle. I liked him a lot. Bill,
He's your man.
he was a good man. And I don't know, he had a heart attack up in Houghton Lake, right?
Yeah, unfortunately, found him in a very bad way, I guess. Face down.
And his wife Josie still,
No, she's still alive, man.
well, you tell her I,
They're talking to each other.
you be sure you tell her I said hi.
Okay,
Mr. McZuga, try to get your life in order, will you please? Good luck to you. 40 bi-weekly, beginning December 1. If you don't have the money, call the court. We'll go on Zoom. I'll give you an extension. I do wish you well. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.